all. Today the grand finale of match between CSK vs KKR. Coming to the IPL 2021 finals, Dreamland match prediction. Chennai Super Kings vs Kolkata Knight Riders. Date and time is 15th October at 7:30 p.m. at Indian Standard Time. Coming to the venue where that match held is Dubai International Cricket Stadium at Dubai. Pitch report: moderate pitch, bit on high scoring side. Okay, 160 is the average score there. We can expect more runs also because both teams having a strong batting order. Coming to the probable playing 11 of Chennai Super Kings. Coming to these are the playing 11s of Kolkata Knight Riders also. You can go through this playing 11 and make a perfect team and try some of your grand leagues in your teams. Okay, coming to the explanation of or averages of the team players, you can see below. These are the key points. Wicket keeper MS Dhoni, safe pick, got his form back. Last match we seen he got his form and scoring some runs with his batting. Okay, and he can promote his batting also. Coming to Dinesh Karthik, many grand league pick because he might not get more chance. If he get chance also, he's not a much important pick. Okay, I'm thinking that. Okay, coming to Ruturaj Gaikwad, he will be a key player where he is generating a good start with his solid batting side and he is a safe pick. Ruturaj Gaikwad having a 50 plus average vs KKR in last 3 matches. Okay, player must pick in your team. Okay, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Okay, Faf du Plessis will be a crucial pick from CSK. He plays well at these pitches with an average of 32. He having an average of 32 and he's having a good strike rate also at this Avenue Dubai. And the safe pick can try some of your grand leagues. Coming to Raidu will handle middle order batting lineup. The top order of CSK teams fail, he will be crucial at that moment. Okay, if the top order means Gaikwad or Faf will play fails, Raidu will be important pick in your team. Okay, and coming to the Subham Gill will be a key batsman from KKR. Hope in the bat, right hand batsman, having an average of 27. It's strike rotating batting and he can rotate strike easily and is generating a strong stroke ability batsman. Coming to Tripathi, having good record against CSK. Last match also we seen he scored some 25 plus runs. But taking him in your team is a risky pick because of strong bowling unit from CSK side. CSK side having a strong bowling lineup and their mastermind Dhoni will attack with some fielding sets also. No, that's why I'm saying that this Rana having an average of 31, having a good average against CSK will be a punt pick in your team. Try him in few Grand League team captain also. Okay, don't miss him. Try captain in your Grand League also. Coming to Ian Morgan, ignored by many because seen this second pace very bad improvement from him. We should have a try in must in one of your Grand League try Ian Morgan as a captain. Okay, because no one will pick him also. I think so because that much poor form he is scoring. 3 ball duck last match we also seen. High chance of getting to bat today. Okay, crucial at this pitch. Coming to all-rounder section of both teams, Ravindra Jadeja will be a key one to watch out, having a good average against KKR and bowling with good economy rate. In the second pace, he is having a good bowling economy rate. Means he is considering just above or below 7 to 6.5 runs. He is considering per over. And overall, we seen in the second pace and is a safe pick also. And even he can strike the ball easily when he gets chance to bat. Coming to Moeen Ali will be a must pick having an at this stage because he can handle the pressure situation. Means today is the final match. Many will come with pressure and they give wickets. Moeen Ali must be pick. And one more advantage is that he will bowl to the left-handers who bat. Kolkata Knight Riders maximum left-handers will be there. And the chance of Moeen Ali bowling of 4 hours will be confirmed. I think so. Try captain in some of your Grand Leagues also. Coming to Bravo. Coming to DJ Bravo. Must pick. He will bowl at death overs and getting regular wickets and handle middle order batting order. And a must pick. He will get regular wickets. Okay, you already know that. And then can be a safe pick getting regular wickets. Last match we seen he changed the game with his bowling. He got main wickets with his spin attack and his bowling arm at a perfect length and areas. Remove him in few Grand League teams. I am feeling that today Narayana will fail because Past matches we seen he's got very huge points in that matches also. Today taking him in small league, but risk. And I was running far away, would I run off the Okay, we remove him in Grand League teams. Okay, coming to Shakib Al Hasan, he is back to form. After past few years, he got his touch back with his bowling attack and maintaining good economy, and he saved many runs also with his fielding skills also, and a safe pick in a small league team also, and try captain in some of your Grand Leagues. Russell will Max he will play today in place of Shakib, I think so. Russell is very important mainly because of aggressive batting and strong hitting batting ability, and he will bowl in death overs also when he gets playing 11. Venkatesh Iyer, aggressive player throughout, but against bowlers like Bravo and Moeen Ali and can get his wickets earlier. Moreover, we missed Deepak Chahar also. He can also get his wicket. He can just score 25 runs below, I think so. In my mind, thinking that 25 runs below only he will out. Mainly because for surely some spin will fail. Then he has a pace bowling ability, so can try out with him. I'm saying that take Venkatesh Iyer. He can give some points with his batting or with bowling. Safe pick also. Coming to bowler section, Deepak Chahar, the quick power play bowler who gets regular wickets but recent matches struggling with his line and length. We already seen past matches he not got any more wickets, but he's missing it length and rights. Okay, length and line. Okay, we can expect some 1+ wicket, but he's missing his length. Once he get his touchback, we can not stop him. He can easily get 2 to 3 wickets. Try in Grand League. Hazlewood will going to set pace attack from CSK side and can produce a huge bouncers with his line and length. He's a tall guy. He can roll the ball with his bowling arm and having a good pace attack also. And try him in small leagues also. Shardul Thakur will be a safe pick. Can give regular wickets and do magic. Lord Thakur can do magic with his bowling, and he will change ball to ball variations. He can change the ball to ball variations means he can ball one ball knuckle ball, one ball yorkers, and one slower arm balls. He can deliver cutters also, and he can get chance means he can bat also. Okay, the safe pick and try captain in your Grand League Shardul Thakur. Coming to Ferguson, the main bowling unit from KKR is the Ferguson is. He can be effective due to pitch nature. He bowls really well. He should be a trump pick for KKR to get some early wickets. Varun Chakravarti had his day in previous matches, but don't expect the same in this today match also. He can bang. He can consider more runs today within his 4 overs also. Okay, don't think positive only. Think about negative also. Can expect 1 wicket maximum. Shivam Mavi will assist the bowling and helping his team to defend the lowest total from opponents. From past 2 matches, he is bowling really well at right areas of length. He bowls well, coming to spotlight in recent sometimes, which can assist him for sure. Okay. As per my report, CSK will win for sure because coming head to head, CSK having a more percentage of wins. Match ups to watch out. Faf batting. When Faf batting, Narayan got one out. Dinesh Karthik batting, Brain Bravo got him three times. Raidu batting, Narayan got him 3 times. Russell batting, Bravo got him 6 times. Coming to captain vice captain picks, Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Bravo, Gill, Venkatesh Iyer, Morgan, Ferguson. Okay, you can go through the reference team. These are must take, and these are the Dreamland small league team. This is the Dreamland Grand League team. Okay.